YouTube. Lloyd's wasn't here. Finally got the dog kennel done. Only took them 2 days, a day and a half really. They worked on it 12 hours on Monday, and then probably about 5 hours a day, I'd say. This is where we're gonna have the runs at. We're either gonna do 3 10x10 runs on each side, and it'll give us a 4-foot walk space in between, or it's going to be 12, I think it's 12 5x10 runs. We've not quite decided that yet. The guys that done this, they were out of Whelping, North Carolina. This is the inside. It's been bubble wrapped. Well, not bubble wrapped, but put the double bubble on for the insulation. I don't know. I opted for a 6-foot roll-up door. Not sure it was the best of ideas, for the reason of heating and cooling purposes. I'm gonna finish this out. This whole room's gonna look like a house. It's gonna have plug-ins, receptacles. We're gonna have a bathtub over here for the dogs. Electrical outlet's gonna go on this wall somewhere, and all the rest of the fine details like welcome boxes for the puppies, they'll go on this wall or this wall, and the kennels for the dogs will go on this wall or this wall. I ain't just laid everything out, and my wife will probably have a desk or something over here. Let's see. I don't like that much of the sound. But you can see this door has major air gaps. Right here, right here. Most of the eaves are boxed in. There's a little light coming through. But if I get this spray foamed, which that one's not boxed in, but if I get spray foam and have them spray foam in here, it should seal it up pretty good. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do for this 6-foot door. I thought about making a false wall kinda that I could either slide down or just something to hide the roll-up door. The reason we put the roll-up door in here is because kennels, so we have to break them down and carry them out a 3-foot door. Well, that was getting old to me and my wife, and so I was like, well, if we can get was looking for a 4x6 roll-up door, but they didn't have one. All they had was a 6x6. So that's what we opted for, and we got the 6x6 roll-up door. Like I said, don't know if it's a good idea, but I'm gonna make do with what I got. I'll find a way to frame that in and insulate that door or insulate that wall. But next step is going to be either A, getting it spray foamed, or B, getting just some regular insulation. The back wall back here is 24, and this way is 20 foot. Here's a look out the windows. My wife wanted to be able to see all the dogs when she was out there, or when she's in here. I'll get some pictures of the outside. We done a gray siding with white trim and a green roof, hunter green roof. The reason we done the hunter green roof is because my great grandparents, that's what color my great grandma wanted on the house, which is right here. So that's what we put on the roof. got most of it done the other day. Didn't get a chance to get it all done. Wheelbarrow started caking mud on the tires, and it was like this out here, soaking wet from all the rain. We got most of it done. But this is what I've been working on, building up a mound back here and then making a French drain. I'm running into problems where the concrete guys didn't do what I told them, so now I'm having to backfill with dirt everywhere, and it just makes it more of a headache. But it's got 2 inches of grade from there to right there on the back corner. Grade equals or means fall one way or the other, so this side's 2 inches higher than that side. French drain, all it is, you dig, get your grade, lay some landscape fabric if you want to. It just helps protect and keep the pipe from getting stopped up. Extends the life of your drain per se. And then you put your pipe in, step on your pipe, pour gravel on top of your foot, and that'll keep your pipe laying down in there, because it's lightweight and it likes to float. Plus we had water in it too the other day. Well, that's it right now. The 4x4s, they're nothing. I just put them there so if we let the dogs out, they don't get a hold of the pipe and start trying to yank the pipe up, and then I gotta redo all this. But the water drains out, comes all the way down this side, goes down that way, and then shoots off in that field over there, that little spot back here. And it stays wet back here all the time, so I'm gonna have to put a drain back here too eventually. I'll probably end up doing a French drain like this and just run a ditch witch through it and put it about 3 foot deep. That way I'm done with it. But that's where we're at, guys. The next thing will probably be either I think we're going to do the insulation. I done this first because we've been getting so much rain. I was going to do the insulation next, but done this first. Like I said, next will be either insulation or maybe the wire, and it just depends on which insulation I decide to use or have the money for. So right now we're going to probably slow down a little bit on the project until we get a little money rolling in. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.